Samsung is expected to unveil two new smartwatches, Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, later this year. While not much is known about their new features, it has been rumored that both upcoming smartwatches will have thinner bezels, bigger screens, and more pixel-dense displays. It is now rumored that the Galaxy Watch 6 will feature an improved AP. According to Tipster, Samsung is bringing a better processor to the Galaxy Watch 6 series. However, they didn't elaborate on how the processor has improved. It isn't known whether it has a faster CPU, GPU, or a more power-efficient fabrication processor. Nonetheless, if this information is correct, Samsung could offer a better and smoother experience to its smartwatch users. Usually, Samsung uses a chipset made for wearable devices for up to 3 years in a row. And it has been just 2 years since the release of the Exynos W920, which made its debut inside the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Even the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro use the same 5nm chipset. So we aren't sure whether Samsung will bring a new chipset just 2 years after launching the Exynos W920. So take this information with a pinch of salt, especially since the tipster doesn't have a proven track record yet. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to feature a bigger, more pixel-dense display. The lineup is also rumored to feature a classic model with a rotating bezel. It is expected to feature a slightly curved circular OLED screen and a newer version of Wear OS. We can expect it to feature all the regular activity and health tracking features, including workout tracking, sleep tracking, stress tracking, ECG, and body composition analysis. But the real question is about the pricing. So how much do you think Samsung gonna charge for its upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Let us know it down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.